Hello everyone again. Here Raul from Sogobosco. I already in my first half of the project here in this village. And in summary, I will explain how was this first 4 months here. And in my opinion, was really good because was easy for me arrive here and stay to feel comfortable and start to live this new experience with my partners. Thanks to them because they helped me a lot since my arrival. To my coordinator Susana too. So yeah, in the beginning was a little bit madness my arrival because I spent time in Warsaw for a little problem with my agreement, but it was fixed quickly. And yeah, I started to work here with my Portuguese partner Gabriel in this eco project, and I started to learn a lot of things about this environment and eco project and search for solution for the most eco way. And right now we are in the middle of the summer in July, and we have a lot of festival. Kislovki Kino Cinema Festival started since June. Yeah, in the beginning of the summer, and will be to August in the final summer. We have more festivals like Konteski Musical Festival and Sanatorium Sounds. We will have the next month one book day of festival. Yeah, that's it at the moment. We are doing a lot of things and different things in the cultural world. So we are not bored here. We are so busy with this project. So I think I am happy here. Yeah, I am learning a lot. I can thanks for this opportunity. So yeah, so thanks you very much, and that's it.